guys, what's up everybody? Today you are watching East in the Graveyard for you, and you. So, let's get right into it. But I want to show you guys my cats though. So here they are. Where's my flash on? But okay, and so there's my newest cat, and then there's my oldest one. Okay guys, so those were my cats, but the big one, both of them are gonna get in the way, so just be in mind, and there's gonna be a lot of meowing. So, I'm gonna restart that. So yeah, that did not hurt, but anyways, like always, it's a Monster Jam unboxing video. It's a big one, boy. So heavy. Okay, so I got, if you guys could see in those other videos, we launched them down these stairs, and I'm downstairs, in my house because it's blazing hot. Oh, and comment down below if you guys are excited for back to school. I am, because then I could hang out with my friends a lot. And then second monster truck, well, technically third, but second box. I don't know what to call it. And then Blue Thunder Series 40. So yeah, so let's put that to the side. And then I just barely got this one, and just arrived at my house like 20 minutes ago. But sorry guys, I have the hiccups. So white and black tires, and then black and red rims, and then it's the see there, and it's black right there. Anyways, I'm gonna get right into it. So okay, I'm getting the Blue Thunder opened. Ooh, that was a nice that was good. Yeah, so that was good. That's good. And then I like the purple wheels, like the light blue chassis. I like everything about this. That's why I told my mom if I could get it. So next one, I'm just gonna put this in there. Sorry guys, I'm not in the best so I'm just gonna open I forgot. No, Nightmare. So why are these opening so easily?
Sorry, this is how I play this stupid game. I can't act like a child and disobey. I'll let you walk
yeah,
on me
so
and let you say I'm
first,
sorry.
no, this is like, well, first, this is like my first, like my third Blue Thunder ever. I know, I barely get Blue Thunders, but I like it. Yeah, and then Rose good. Does it look good? Maybe too easy. Yeah, that's too easy. probably favorite one so far. It's pretty hot since it was outside. And so I'm gonna open the double. I got the double almost opened. If I can open it. Comment down below if they should like make the wheels on these like the BKT, like the normal ones like this. Comment down below which ones you like best, like normal wheels or like soft wheels. So, okay. Oh, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. So, yeah, so this is my first ice monster. So, yeah, so as you can tell, Monster Mutt Dalmatian ice because it has the dots. And looks good. I can probably put that wheelie bar on that is only on this. But anyways, next one. My cat's just like, oh, I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, that's my cat. He's just getting she look at that. Okay, and then last but not least, I got fire. I'm gonna go like on. Just like the normal, just like this one. That is color and everything. And I have a video idea for next video. If I get more monster trucks, I'm gonna go to the store and record the video, and then I'm gonna post it like right after I get home. Like some people post like edit for a long time. Me, I just have to put some sound whatever into it, and then it's just boom. And like, you know, like kid to kid, like kids to kids, like those monster truck people. Yeah, they're my favorite YouTubers, so shout out to them. And then, oh, sorry. Yeah. Thank you, baby. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, and remember, thanks for being awesome. Peace.